The homemade propane forge. Had it running a little bit. It's still a little hot there, but I'll show you how I have it hooked up here. I have a regular propane tank with a Harbor Freight weed burner, and I have a barbecue electric starter hooked up to ignite it, but the ceramic piece busted off, so I'm lighting it with a torch. And I have a blower motor for a bathtub, Bubble Spa Deluxe. Works pretty good. It's on a timer. You can change the speeds on it. Works really good. We're going to fire this thing up and show you how it goes. All right, let's light it up. Get this shut off. Turn the flame up. See it blowing out the edges. This is when the fun happens, when you turn the blower on. It sounds like a jet. Change my tip a little bit or something, get the air mixture a little bit better. You can adjust the gas, it makes a little bit of a difference. It works really well. I have the inside of it filled with a mixture of concrete, vermiculite, and cat litter. Put a pipe down through the middle, pack it in around the outside of it, and then pound your pipe out, and you're left with your hole down the middle, and then cut it out and put your fire brick in the bottom. Works good. I got a little piece of angle iron here. I can slide my piece of metal in and out. Shut the door. You can stick your piece of metal through so you can heat it up. It holds a lot more of your heat in there. And on the back side of it, I have a door on the back. Whenever I'm firing, I usually leave that closed so you can hear how it changes the air mixture a little bit. Heats up pretty good. That little piece here will slide in and out so you can adjust how far you want it. If you have a really short piece, you can slide it way in, but I made it so it would slide so you can open it and shut the door there. It does heat up fairly quick. You can see it already getting red there. Give it a few more. This is D2 steel, just a piece that start pounding into a knife here. Here you can see how red it heats it up pretty quick. All right, that's it.